Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into how to extract key metadata from a CT DICOM image, like slide thickness, image orientation, pixel spacing, and patient positioning. Whether you are in medical imaging, research, or quality assurance, this information can give you deeper insight into how your images were acquired. Before let's run the script, this is a very simple script. We are getting some field, as I show you with the image J. We are getting the patient position, the slide thickness, image orientation, pixel spacing, reconstruction diameter, number of columns and rows which correspond to number of pixels in the image X and Y direction. Let's just run it. And as you can see, it outputs the relevant information. The patient position is in head first supine, and the matrix corresponding is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. So now, if you are wondering how to interpret this orientation array, this corresponds to head first supine, meaning the patient entered the scanner head first, lying on their back. And for head first prone, this +1 will be changed to -1. And it will be a slightly different matrix correspond to other positions, such as feet first supine and feet first prone. And that's it. This simple script gives you powerful insight into your CT scan geometry. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more medical imaging and scripting tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see what you want to see next. See you next time. Bye.